Concept applications of determinant. First application, Cramer's rule. In 10th standard, you have learned solution of system of linear equations in two variables, that is in x and y. Solving equations using Cramer's rule concept learn. Now this year, concept is expanded for three variables, and variables are generally used x, y and z. Statement for theorem, consider the three linear equations in three variables. Equations are expressed as a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. And third equation, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. To obtain solutions of these equations using Cramer's rule, where these ai, bi and ci are the constants. Solutions is obtained by formula x is equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d, and z is equal to dz upon d, where determinant d, this denominator, it is always not equal to 0. Then solution is exist. So determinant d is obtained by coefficient of x as a first column, coefficient for y becomes second column, coefficient of z as a third column. This is determinant d. In this determinant d, to obtain dx determinant, first coefficient of x column, it is replaced by constants d1, d2, d3. Hence, dx is equal to first column d1, d2, d3, remaining 2 as it is. Next, for the determinant dy, coefficient column for y, it is replaced by a constant d1, d2, d3. First and third as it is. Determinant dy is equal to first and third as it is, second is changed by constant. And now last, dz. In determinant d, coefficient of z last column, it is replaced by constant. We obtain d1, d2, d3. After calculations of determinant values d, dx, dy and dz, use this formula and determine values for x, y and z, that is the solution for these three equations. Continue with problem. Question here. Solve the following equations by using Cramer's rule. Equations are given. First, x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second equation, x minus y plus z is equal to 2. And third equation, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. To find out solutions of these equations by Cramer's rule, let us see answer. In answer, first writing given equations. First equation, second equation, third equation, all three equations. For Cramer's rule, first we need to find out value for determinant d. Determinant d is obtained by coefficient of x, check 1, 1, 1 in first column. Coefficient for y, 1, minus 1 and 2 in second column. And coefficient of z in last column, 1, 1, minus 1. Solving this determinant along the first row, 1 multiplied. First row, first column eliminated. Remaining entries minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1. Next element minus 1 of. Eliminated that row and column, remaining entries 1, 1, 1 minus 1. And last plus 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 and 2. These are the elements. Solving, we get here minus 1 into minus 1, 1, and 2 into 1 is 2, that is 1 minus 2. Next, minus 1 times of minus 1, again minus of 1. Last, plus 1 times of 2, minus minus plus 1. Check total. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied with 1, minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2 total. Multiplied minus 1, it will be plus 2. Next, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Determinant value D is obtained 4. Next, dx, coefficient of x column 1, 1, 1 in determinant D replaced by constant 6, 2, 2. We getting first column as 6, 2, 2. Remaining elements as it is. Solving again this determinant along first row. 6 multiplied minus 1, 1, 2, minus 2. These are the four elements. Next, minus 1 of eliminated first row, second column 2, 1, 2, minus 1. Then plus 1 of eliminated that row and column. Remaining elements 2 minus 1, 2, 2. Solving, we get here 6 multiplied 1 minus 2. Next, minus 1 times of minus 2 minus 2. Then plus 1 times of 4 minus minus plus 2. 4 plus 2. Totals 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 6 minus of 6. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1, it becomes plus 4. And last 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 into 1, 6. For total minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Determinant dx is equal to 4. Next, determinant dy. Determinant d, second column, coefficient of y. It is replaced by constant 6 to 2. Solving this determinant along first row. First element 1, eliminated row and column. We get remaining entries 2, 1, 2, minus 1. Next, minus 6 times of eliminated first row, second column 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Last element plus 1, eliminated row and column. Remaining elements 1, 2, 1, 2. Solving 1 multiplied minus 2 minus 2. Minus 6 multiplied minus 1 minus 1. And last plus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 2. So simplification, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 into 1 minus of 4. Minus 1 minus 1 total minus 2 into minus 6, it becomes plus 12. And last 2 minus 2, 0 multiplied 1, 0. Minus 4 plus 12 plus 0, total is 8. dy value is obtained 8 here. Next, calculating dz. Value for dz is obtained by last column of coefficient of z replaced by constant 6 to 2. Solving this determinant again by same technique. Value for determinant after simplification is obtained 12. Then next step, performing by Cramer's rule. Value for x is equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d, and z equal to dz upon d. Let us substitute values for determinants. Dx calculated, it is 4. D is also 4. 4 divided by 4, that is 1. X is equal to 1 is obtained. Next, value for y. Determinant dy calculated, its value is 8. Determinant d value 4. 8 divided by 4, division is 2. Y equal to 2. And last, dz value 12 divided by determinant value d4. 12 divided by 4, 3. Z value is 3. Required solutions of given equations.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.